How to grow your YouTube channel fast as a beginner. If you are just starting YouTube channel and you want to grow fast, here are 7 things you have to do to grow fast on YouTube. You don't even need an expensive gadget. You don't need to be perfect. You just have to start and be consistent. It's your first time coming to my channel. This is Creators Boost, and here we talk about how to grow fast as a beginner. I'm also a beginner, and we talk about how to grow fast as a as a beginner on YouTube. So here are 7 things you have to do if you want to grow fast in this YouTube space. Number 1 is to pick a niche. You pick a clear niche. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you have to pick a clear niche. Like me now, my niche is YouTube growth. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, pick a niche that you know you are very knowledgeable about. It can be a cooking, it can be finance, it can be AI, it can be health. Any niche that you know that you can talk very well, you are very knowledgeable about, you have to, that's all you need to start. Just pick a niche and post videos about it. Number 2 is use a very simple title. Your title is very important when it comes to YouTube. Use a very simple and clear title. Use a title that people are already searching for, like maybe how to get more views, how to cook, fast way to cook jollof rice, how to manage your health, how to use AI tools, all those things. Just use simple title. Number 3 is solve one particular problem. Your videos, you must solve a particular problem, like a problem that a lot of people your audience are facing. Like if you are in a finance niche, you can post a video on how to grow your money, how to invest. Or if you are in health niche, you can post a video like how to do workouts at home. Or if you are in a tech niche, you can pick a tech tool and explain how it works. All those things. And also if you are in a niche that I am, YouTube grow niche, you can teach people how to grow their channel, how to get more views, how to get subscribers, how to get their 1,000 watch hours, and all those things. Just pick a niche and let your video solve one problem at a time. Don't try to solve all the problem in one video. One problem, one video. 4 is you have to make your thumbnail very, very attractive. What will determine if people will watch your video or not is your thumbnail and your title. If your thumbnail is not attractive, if it is not bold enough, if it doesn't have any facial expression, and if the title does not have any curiosity, people will not click. And if people don't click your videos, you will not get views, you will not get your watch hours. So your thumbnail has to be very attractive and very clear. Let us know what your thumbnail is all about. Let us know what your video is all about through your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing that people will see. You can have a very good video, you can pass a very powerful message in your video, but if your thumbnail is not clickable, if your thumbnail is nothing to write home about, people will not click your video and you will not get views. And if you don't get views, how will you get your 4,000 watch hours? So make sure you work very hard on your thumbnail. The same time you put effort, the same effort you put in making your videos, put more effort in making your thumbnails. If you check my channel, you will see that I make a video about thumbnail, and you can go and watch the video and learn how to make your thumbnail as a beginner without even spending so much time on Canva to design your thumbnail. You can go and watch the video. I teach you simple and fast method on how to create your thumbnail, your very attractive and clickable thumbnail. You can check the video in my in my under this channel. I will link the video in this under this description, so you can go and check it. Is post consistently. You see, if you are not consistent, you will not you will not get views. If you post today and you disappear, you are not training the algorithm. You have to be very consistent. If you want to grow fast, you have to post every single day. Post long video every single day, and I will advise that you start with long video first, because if you start with short videos, you are training the algorithm. Once the algorithm understand your short video and start pushing the short video, if you post long video, you might not get views, because you have already trained the algorithm with your short videos. So like me now, I have not been posting short videos. It is only long videos I've been posting, even though I'm not getting views now, but I will still continue. So you have to be very consistent. One video per day. If you want to grow fast, you have to be posting at least one video per day, and the video must have all these elements that I am teaching you in this video. It should have all the elements in this I talk about in this video. 6 is you have to hook people fast. If you notice at the beginning of this video, I said how to grow your YouTube channel fast as a beginner. That's the hook. So in the very first 5 to 10 seconds of your video, you have to hook people fast. Hook them, because if you don't hook them, they will just go. They will leave you and go. So you just tell them what they are expecting, what the video is all about, what you want to teach in the video. Don't start with hi, my name is no. What the video is all about: how to get more views, how to get your 4,000 watch hour, how to grow your income, how to grow your money, all those things. That's what you should use. That's what you should say at the very beginning of your video. So that's how you will hook your audience. You will hook your viewers, and they will stay and watch your video to the end. One is repeat what works. Now, if you have been doing this and you have been doing it, and you notice that one of the video that you have done, one of them picked, it has a lot of views than the others, even if it doesn't, is not up to 1,000 views, but you shall notice that this video has a lot of views. Maybe other ones are having like 100 views, 200 views, or even if it is not up to 100, maybe it is 10 views, 20 views, but one particular one stood up and has like 50 views, or is going to 100 views. That is telling you that people like that particular topic. So you have to like create more videos on that particular topic. You create a lot of more videos on that particular topic, so that algorithm will help you to push your videos, and your videos will go viral, because already they are telling you what they want. Your viewers are telling you what they want. Your audience are telling you what they want. If one of your videos have a lot of views, that means that is what your audience are interested in. That is what they want you to talk about. So your own job is to create more videos on that particular topic. So you don't need to be perfect, you just have to be consistent. I'm also a beginner, so the very first, like, the start is always not easy. The start is always not perfect, but once you keep doing it and you keep doing it consistently, that is what will make it look perfect. So you don't have to be perfect. You don't even need expensive gadgets. So all you need is to be consistent and to have strategy. So if you enjoy this video and you learn something on this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, so that we can grow together. Me, I am also a beginner, but I just want to start. This is what I want to do, and I make up my mind that I will do it. And if people can succeed, in it, me too, I will also succeed. So if you want to start your own too, don't even wait, don't even overthink it. Because if you overthink, you will not start. So just start and be consistent and keep learning and keep improving. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.